All right, everybody, welcome back. Today we are taking a deep dive into Fxify. And right off the bat, this one's got my attention.
Oh yeah. What's caught your eye?
Well, they're calling it a trading challenge, not just a platform, a challenge. Plus, they're talking about funded accounts right from the get-go. This has got to be different from those basic trading apps, right?
Totally. You're picking up on the key difference here. It's not just about giving you some software and saying good luck. FXIFY seems to be all about finding serious traders who are ready to prove themselves.
All right, I'm hooked. Bring it
Yeah.
down for me. What exactly is this Fxify challenge all about?
So think of it like a multi-stage proving ground. They've got this assessment process, and you can choose to go through 1, 2, or even 3 phases.
Okay, so the more phases you take on, the tougher it gets.
Exactly. Now, they keep the specifics of each phase pretty close to the vest.
Makes sense. Got to keep the competition guessing.
Right. But the fact that they have these different levels tells you they're serious about evaluating your trading skills. This isn't just about clicking a few buttons and hoping for the best.
So you got to have some skin in the game. Speaking of which, they mentioned funded accounts. What's the deal with that?
Here's where it gets real. You're not trading with demo money here. We're talking about accounts with starting capital options ranging from $5,000 all the way up to $400,000.
Whoa. Okay, so they're not messing around, but that means you have the potential to make some serious bank too, right?
Absolutely. And they don't just throw you in the deep end. They've got options to suit every trading style. They've got a platform designed for EAs.
EAs, you mean like expert advisors, those automated trading robots?
That's the one. And they've got another platform designed specifically for web-based trading. So whether you're all about algorithms or you prefer a more hands-on approach, they've got you covered.
Smart. Cater to everyone. So how do they make their money? What kind of fee structure are we looking at?
This is where they get really strategic. They have 2 main pricing options: raw spreads and all-in, commission-free. Now, the raw spreads are interesting. They're all about transparency. Basically, you're seeing the real-time market prices, no hidden markups.
So it's like having a direct line to the institutional grade pricing.
Exactly. This is huge for active traders, especially scalpers who are making tons of quick trades to capitalize on those tiny price movements.
Lower costs equal more profits in their pockets.
Precisely. Now, for those who are less active, maybe they prefer swing trading or holding positions for the long term, they've got the all-in model, which is commission-free. This simplifies things, makes it easier to calculate your costs, and it can actually be more cost-effective if you're trading larger positions.
Wow, this is a lot to take in. So they really have thought of everything. And then on top of all this, they have add-ons. Like what kind of add-ons?
Right. These aren't your average add-ons. You want more leverage. They've got you covered. Feeling bold? Crank it up. But remember, higher risk, higher reward.
Got to be able to handle the heat.
Exactly. And get this, you can actually negotiate a more favorable profit split. So as you become more successful, you get to keep more of your profits.
Oh, now you're speaking my language. Anything else?
How about bi-weekly payouts?
No way. Is that even possible in this industry?
Practically unheard of. This tells you they're confident in their traders, they're not afraid to give you quick access to your earnings. And then there's Performance Protect, an intriguing one.
Performance Protect. Does that mean they step in if you're having a bad run?
It's not totally clear, but it seems like they might have systems in place to help you manage risk and avoid those account-crushing losses. A nice safety net, especially for newer traders.
It's kind of like they've thought of everything.
It's impressive. FXIFY is really trying to turn the traditional brokerage model on its head. Instead of just taking your money and hoping for the best, they're building a whole ecosystem to help traders thrive.
So what you're saying is they want you to succeed.
That's the vibe I'm getting.
This has been fascinating. I got to be honest, I'm seriously considering taking this Fxify challenge myself.
I don't blame you.
Now, before we wrap up, I do want to mention that I've partnered with Fxify to offer you all a special deal. If you're ready to take on the challenge, you can find my unique link in the show notes. It'll give you a nice discount on your first month. Who knows, maybe we'll be trading side by side soon.
I'll be looking for you on the leaderboard.
All right, everyone, that's it for our deep dive into Fxify. Make sure you check out those show notes, and we'll catch you on the next one.